Yan.
Hello pa naman.
Grabe.
Hello! Birthday ko ngayon! Ganda-ganda ng cake ko.
Happy
Nung-
birthday. Oh, ang damit mo.
Oo.
Huwag mo masyadong pakalapit-lapit.
Nag-wish ako.
Ha?
Siyempre.
Oh, sige, mag-wish ka na.
Hipan mo muna. Di ba? Ay, hindi. Wish mo.
Reduced. Now you're introducing me.
Yes, I had a little reduced here a while ago. I mean, it gets really thick. You can see it for those of you at home.
Yay!
So this guy, kanina malakas yung-
May tara, let's eat.
Ano ba yung kanya?
There's already salt in our shellfish. The mussels are salty. The clams are salty also.
Yan. Bonggang-bongga ang aming handa.
Fish.
Yan, makain na po. Si Abby.
Pick out salmon and grouper.
Huwag mo masyadong bilis na mag-uma.
Ayan si Mami.
Ay, huwag na uma naman.
It might be too soft. If you're gonna do this, you wanna keep the tilapia whole, the bones and everything.
Ayan Mami, okay na. Mukha na ko na.
Tingnan mo ba? Kuhanin mo naman kami ni Abby. Ay, tatlo ah.
Oh, di sino kukuha ng video?
Fish or meat?
Both. I eat anything.
Video ba o picture?
Somebody can identify with it.
I can eat anything.
Hello, Daddy. Salamat sa cake ha.
Thank you, Daddy. Salamat sa ka.
This guy, we just wanna coax it into the liquid there.
Nakaw ka.
Turn up the heat a bit.
Yung pala nga.
Because you want it to
Dami
basically be
ba
touching
yan?
the liquid because that's what's gonna
Ay,
cook
ka
it.
naman uwa.
And
So, tapos
the next thing that we're gonna do is
ilalagay mo
whenever
din
you do this,
ang
whenever you
sige.
use pan poaching, no, it's actually a combination of
Remembrance
poaching
lang
and
niya sa
steaming.
12 years old siya.
This guy, I'm gonna
Gusto
turn this guy on.
namin.
This is our reduced liquid from
Salita
a
ka
while
muna
ago.
dyan,
We made
ha?
some ahead of time.
Ito, nakagallery.
And what we're gonna do is put our pan
Ay, okay na
over
Mami.
here.
Stop ko na to ah.
Okay.
Ooh.